is Priya. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. Okay, and I would like to say that please keep practicing because practice is much more important than all other things. Data science ही ये कहता है कि आपको practice ही करनी है, written का कोई मतलब नहीं है. So keep practicing as much as you can. Okay, so today we will talk about that what is important things to become a data scientist. What are important things to become a data scientist? So first you should focus on these important things. What I focus? Strong foundation in mathematics and statistics. Okay, data science requires a solid understanding of mathematics including linear algebra and calculus as well as statistics. You will use these principles to analyze data and build models. Okay, and if I come to the second point, then what is that? Is programming skills. What is that? That is programming skill. Proficiency in programming is essential. Python and R commonly used in data science. Python and R commonly used in data science. So learning one or both of these languages is necessary. Okay. Additionally, you will need to work with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and many more to manipulate and analyze data. Okay. So this is a very important and necessary for becoming a data scientist. Hope you all are like my video. So please, if you really like, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.